Morning children, yesterday we discussed about the multiplication and divisions. Today we are going to learn fractions as well as how to find the HCF and LCM. So, 14th bit, find the HCF of 30 and 60. So here you have to write first factors of 30. So what are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. How we know that those are the factors? Means 1 30 is a 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6 are 30. Now write the factors of 60. So what are the factors of 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. So these are the factors of 60. Now 30 and 60, what are the common factors? You have to write down. Common factors of 30 and 60 are what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Now among all these common factors, which is the highest common factor? So the highest common factor is the HCF, or the greatest factor, that is 30. So your HCF is 30. Now remaining BCD bit we have to find HCF. Now 15th bit, find the LCM. So what is LCM? LCM is nothing but least common multiple. So LCM of 12 and 18 they are asking. So what are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, means 12 table, 12 is 12, 12 is 24, 12 is 36, 4 is 48, 5, 60, 7, 72, 6 is 72, like that. 18 multiples you have tried. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, so on. Now, what are the common multiples of 12 and 18? So here what is there? 12, 24, 36 is here, and here 36. Next 72, so on. So many are there. So common multiples are 36, 72, so on. You are going to get it. Now among these common multiples, what is the least? Means the smallest one is what? 36. So the LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Now 16th bit, write the fraction in words. So how we can say 2 by 7, and this one B bit is 3 by 5. Here 2 is numerator, 7 is denominator. Here in this B bit, 3 is numerator, 5 is denominator. So this is 2/7. We can say 2, or wordsmith spelling if you write 2/7. Means out of 7 parts, we have selected only 2 parts. 2/7. Here 3/5. So TH you have to add the number. Simply you have to add the numerator and the denominator. TH you have to add the fraction we can write. Means out of 5 parts we have selected only 3 parts. Now fill in the boxes by less than or greater than symbol. Here we are comparing the fractions. So here I am doing 3 problems for you. Why? Because there are 3 different problems. Now here in this A bit, 5 by 7 and 4 by 7, which is the smallest one, which is the greatest one? Here both denominators are what? Equal. Here 7 is there, 7 is there. So we can say they are like fractions. So if denominator sign which numerator is greater, that is the greater one. Here 5 is greater than 4. So 5 by 7 is greater than 4 by 7. Here identify, once again listen carefully. If denominators are same, then which numerator is greater, that is that fraction is greater fraction. Now come to the B bit. Here numerators are same. At that time, which fraction is greater means which numerator is smaller one, that is greater. Understood difference between denominators equal, here numerators are equal. If numerators are equal, which denominator is lesser, that is the greater. Here, which numerator is greater, that is greater. Now come to the C bit. Here, numerators are not equal, denominators are not equal. They are unlike fractions. At that time, how to find which numerator is, which fraction is greater? So for that, we have to do cross multiplication. Means this numerator multiplied by this denominator, 7 into 8, and this numerator by this denominator, 3 into 9, 7 8s are 56, 3 9s are 27. At that time then becomes, this denominators becomes 2 equal fractions. Now 56 is greater or 27 is greater? Obviously 56 is greater. Now 56 is for what? For 7. 7 by 9 numerator is 56. So your 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 8. Here fractions are unlike fractions, means their denominators and numerators are different. Then you have to multiply the numerator by another fraction denominator and this numerator by first fraction denominator. Then which number is greater, that is the greatest fraction. Now to write the 18th bit, you have to write the equivalent fractions. So how to write the equivalent fractions means numerator and denominator multiply by same number. 7 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, 10 by 14. Now multiply by 3 by 3, 5 into 3 by 7 into 3, 15 by 21. Now multiply by 4, 5 into 4, 7 into 4, 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28. Like that, numerator and denominator multiplied by same number, then those all fractions are called equivalent fractions. Now what are the equivalent fractions? 5 by 7 is equal to 10 by 14 is equal to 15 by 21 is equal to 20 by 28. Like that, you can write so many equivalent fractions. Tomorrow we have to discuss proper fractions to improper fractions, mixed fractions to fractions and verbal fractions. Have a nice day. Thank you.